Hello, welcome back to ALW Collectibles. Today we're going to do something a little bit different on our channel. Normally we look at toys, I transform them, I throw a little bio together for them. I'm going to do something that I've kind of seen other people do. I wanted to give it a shot because I do enjoy doing this myself. I'm a big model and Lego person. I love to build things. And last Christmas, my son actually gave me two Yolopark figures, which I've had sitting on my desk in the background of my videos for a while. I intended to build them because I want to put them on display, and I've just been in one of those building moods. So today I definitely want to jump in and build Yolopark's AMK series Transformers Megatron. And this guy looks really cool. Let me be honest, this box actually has a little bit of weight to it. There's everything on the box itself. As you saw, as I did a little spin-a-roon on the stand for him. On the front of the box, you got Megatron, and then you got Starscream in the backdrop. And apparently there's 4 model kits out. Bumblebee, Prime, Megatron, and Scream. My son actually got me Megatron and Optimus. Gives you all the information on the back of it, as well as all the legal information. It's actually on the back. Alrighty then. So let's take a look. Get our trusty cutter out here. It is already cut, but I just released it again because it was retaped. I looked at it once because I wanted to see what it looked like, so. That's what he looks like in the packaging. Your Yolopark's information. And you get his instructions. Oh, two. That's it for his instructions. This should be relatively straightforward. It does have 2 pieces for so just for fun, let's put him together and see how he looks. I do want to do the review on these. I've done a few Yoloparks. I admit I'm not a fan of third-party figures all the time. I am slowly changing my mind about a few of them, particularly like the Yolopark figures. I think they look really cool, especially for Transformer 1. They had a nice design to them, and they fit with the toy line because they were non-transforming in the beginning. Alright, and we're going to open this up slowly. Alright. We got the abdomen, his head, one shoulder, 2, forearm, one thing I gotta give the Yoloparks is there's not a lot of massive assembly. I recently did the Bloki's Prime in the backdrop, and that was a lot of assembly. It took me almost a whole day to build him. I'm just putting that back together off camera. So the instructions just show the front half of the packaging. That clips into there. Already, I'm starting to like this a lot. Next, we're going to build the arms. click. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that. These are just going to clip right under there. Already, I like what I'm seeing. So when we flip the instructions over, it's just going to show us how to do the legs and the cannon and the lower abdomen. Lower the body, one leg, one foot, one leg, one foot, and the fusion cannon. All this back together, put it back in this package. This instruction showed to put the lower torso on earlier. Alrighty. And assembling the legs is straightforward. Let's plug the feet in. Just plug these into here. Pretty good size scale for this guy. And we just plug his fusion cannon in. And just like that, Megatron has been born. That looks really nice. The detail, I've got to say, it is incredible. You got red, you got black up on the crown of the head. The fusion cannon looks proportionally proper. I am very impressed. I think this guy looks really sharp. Exceedingly posable. Megatron does look like he was about to try walking off the pedestal here. There we go. Or maybe it's just me. Articulation with these things is incredible. Massive up and down. Shoulder. Of course, bicep. As the shoulder moves everywhere. Elbow. Thumb. Pointer finger does bend at 2 joints. Rest of his fingers move. Wrist will go in and out. Of course, rotation. And he's got multiple joints in the abdomen and at the waist. Let's see it. Oh, plates move. That is a good front boot. This back plate here does not move at all, but he can do the splits. Thigh. Oh, that's awesome. Double knee bend. And he has toe articulation and ankle articulation. This is awesome. This is truly awesome. Behold, the leader of the Decepticons. It looks like he's standing cockeyed to me. But that just could be my pedestal. So let's get him in a... There's a red light inside the barrel that does nothing. I thought it lit up. Oh, that looks cool. Let me know in the comments what you think of him. Do you like the Yolopark figure line? I think for the most part, I like them as a separate entity related to the Transformers. I wouldn't really call them a Transformers per se, only because, of course, they don't transform. And in my eyes, that's the hallmark of a Transformer. Let me know in the comments below what you think. This has been ALW Collectibles. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you wish. Comments are always welcome. I want to say thank you to all the channel subscribers. And a big shout out to my son for getting me this figure. I'll be back with more videos later on. And Megatron is going to go and try taking over the universe. You have a good day.